How to fix Instagram Reels low quality problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update your Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can launch it. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different icons. Click on this plus icon to upload any of the reel. Select the reel that you want to upload. Click on next. Now from this page you are able to trim your video. Once you are done, click on next. Now from this page you are able to add music, stickers, filters. Once you are done, click on next. After you land to this page, over here you will find this section of advanced settings. Open it. Now scroll down. You will find this option of upload at highest quality. Make sure you have toggle on for it. Now you can hit back, add a caption, likewise customize other settings and then share it. Well, this is how you can fix Instagram Reels low quality problem. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.